So Charlie, you guys have been busy doing a lot of stuff here, mostly for that HERS rating, right? Home Energy Rating System. That takes into account the building's performance, you know, windows and doors and insulation, HVAC, and really the R value of the building. In the old days, in like 70s, right, that rating system was 140 what you were trying to get to. Then in 06, we get down to 100. Now here in Lexington, you have to get to 52. And so that, you know, you start looking for places where you can make the building tighter and raise the R value. So one thing that fought us was this existing wall. You can see it's brick on both sides, a little bit of insulation right there. So we lost a fair amount of R value here. The way you make it up with this HERS rating is to find it a place to make it up, and one place was in the floor. So this existing slab was concrete with a little bit of wood on the top, and that was R0. We've got to get to 20, R20.
Right, and to meet our HERS rating of 52, we had to remove the entire concrete slab. So when we did that, they gave us the opportunity to run all new ductwork. And if you remember, we dug trenches for all where our supplies had to go, right, running them back to the mechanical space.
Right. Now, there was no basement and no attic, so that was a great solution to hide the ductwork down there.
That's right, and once all the ductwork was in place, we encased it with closed cell foam.
Right, keep it tight.
And then we graded it, and once it was all graded, we even took another layer, about 2.5 inches of closed cell foam, and put it over the entire grate and wrapped it up the walls. And that's a really good starting point.
Okay, so good insulation, and then?
And then we put a concrete slab over that.
How thick is that slab?
That's probably 4 or 5 inches thick.
Okay, great.
And now we're going to put our 2-inch sleepers, and then we're going to infill every single bay with 2 inches of foam. Okay. And then on top of that, we're going to put our subflooring, which is 3/4.
Right. Is that going to give us an R20?
Oh, we're going to be at least that.
All right, good. Well, let's get rolling. Let's finish it up.
I'm putting a bead of this spray foam polyurethane on top of our sleepers so our subflooring will bond to it. And a half, 42 and 47.
18. Hey, it fits. Next layer of the sandwich is our radiant floor heating system. Aluminum's on the back, and the tubing will serpentine through the room with a beautiful, comfortable heat.
That's right, and these are pieces of the white oak flooring that we're going to be using for our final layer.
That looks really smart, and you can see where you're nailing the floor in too, which is great and safe. All right, let's get these plumbers going, get that radiant so we're not holding anybody up.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.